What's the meaning of Aubrey Beardsley? Aubrey Beardsley. Aubrey Beardsley.
Aubrey Beardsley. Aubrey Beardsley. Aubrey Beardsley was an English illustrator and writer associated with the aesthetic movement of the late 19th century. He was known for his highly stylized black and white illustrations and his contributions to literary magazines such as the Yellow Book. Beardsley's work was often controversial due to its erotic and decadent themes, and he was seen as a key figure in the Art Nouveau movement. He died tragically young at the age of 25 due to tuberculosis, but his influence can still be seen in contemporary art and design.